Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by verifying Word is installed and linked to OneDrive so autosave works. Open Word from Applications or Spotlight. Sign in with your Microsoft account to enable syncing. Once done, choose a template or blank document to begin. Templates save time because they include styles and layout. Make sure to set your default font and paragraph spacing in the Home tab so documents stay consistent. This initial setup avoids repeated formatting work later and ensures cloud backups are active while you work. Now focus on creating and structuring content. Apply styles for headings so you can generate an automatic table of contents later. Insert tables, images, and charts from the Insert menu, then use the format options to control wrap and alignment. This keeps layout predictable when exporting to PDF. Use the Review tab to enable track changes and add comments if you collaborate. Once done, switch to Print Layout View to preview page breaks and final spacing, so what you see is what prints or exports. Finish by saving to OneDrive and exporting a PDF via File Save as to preserve formatting. Run the accessibility checker and spelling and grammar to catch issues before sharing. This improves readability and avoids simple errors. If Word becomes unresponsive, force quit and reopen the app, then use File Open Recent or OneDrive Version History to recover your work. If you still see problems, update Word via Microsoft Auto Update. Keeping software current prevents compatibility and crash issues in most cases.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.